So because I don't have a level right now, or I'm not able to find it, I'm just gonna try and put in the bolts in the fixture in the bracket and just see if it actually looks straight. So basically what I would do is just remove these bolts. The idea is to just see if it looks straight, and remove these bolts like this. These are the rubber washers, which you do want to keep safe because this is what prevents the water from going into the fixture. But for now, this is just simply to see if the fixture looks straight. So basically, I line the holes with the fixture like this. And for now we won't use the washers, we'll just use the caps, the screw caps, and basically put them in just to make sure it looks straight, so that we know that our bracket is straight. There, that's one of them. And that's the other one. There. Yeah, this is tight enough for now, just to check if it's aligned straight. And let's take a look from here and also from a distance. And to me it looks straight. Look at it from up front. Yeah, it looks straight. And maybe from an angle, yeah, it does look straight. So I think we can just assume that the bracket has been installed horizontally correctly, and then just proceed with the next stage, which is wiring the light fixture. Yeah, and if it wasn't straight, then we can always adjust it later. But for now it looks straight. And you can also tell from the lines of the brick, maybe see if they're aligned with the lines of the brick. Maybe they're a little bit off, like so. This might be better. Yeah, but I think that can always be adjusted. That's actually, so each of these lights has their own light sensor over here. So eventually we may not need the light sensor that's below the sub panel that's common for all, because in these particular light fixtures each has their own light sensor. So they each individually are controlled by the light. So I think this looks better. I adjusted it a little bit, and this looks a little more straight. Let's look at it from the distance again. Yeah, this looks much better, and it also looks straight. So let's go ahead and remove it, and we'll use the wire nuts to wire it in, and then we are ready to finish the installation.